Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the verification of truth tables in digital electronics. Okay, of various logic gates on digital IC's trainer kit. Just see, this is IC's trainer kit. This kit has basically all logic gates like AND gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, etc. So today we will simulate all the three gates in our trainer kit. Basically, there are three logic gates like AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So now start the video. So these are the patch codes we use to connect gates. Okay, you see, this is AND gate. We connect one input, then we have second input. Okay, and we connect output at one of the LED. Basically, this LED will indicates us the output. When it goes high, it will indicate high. One the on the left side, you see we have switches which gives a signal either 0 or 1. When it is 0, LED will not glow, but when it is 1, then it will glow. You see, in this truth table, you can see when one of the input signal low, the output will be low. But when both signals are high, output will be high. You see, first output will be 0 and second output input will be 0 and output is 0. Okay, now third, one input, second off and output will be 0. Now input 1 and second input 1, you see LED glow. Okay, means both the signals are high, output will be high. Okay, so this is all about AND gate and truth table. Okay, this is very simple and easy to understand. Okay, so let's move to second gate, that is OR gate. This is also very simple gate to understand. OR gate. Okay, so OR gate, in case of OR gate, we know output goes high. Output goes high when any one of the input is high. So let's change the patch codes. Okay, so we connect one input, then we have second input. Okay, and we connect output at one of the LED. Okay, so this LED will indicate as the input output. Okay, so you see in the truth table, one high second low, one high second low. Third on the I'm talking about third row, one high second low, it means high. So in OR gate we have high output when any one or both the inputs are in high level. Okay, so it means one input is high, it means output will be high and LED will be blink. So if your first input high, second input is 0, so your output will be high. And if your both inputs are 0, so output will be low. Okay, so now this is all about OR gate. Now move to third gate, that is your third basic gate, that is NOT gate. Okay, in NOT gate, you see there is only one input. Okay, that is A and Y. Not in the you see NOT gate, only one input and one output. Basically this is also known as inverter gate also. Okay, so in this we give input to NOT gate and we give connection to the output. Not gate is known as inverter gate. So when we apply 0, output is inverted and it's high. Okay. Suppose uh, we give high input. Suppose we give high input. Input is high. We can see the LED is glowing. Okay. So output goes 0.